G'day guys, Justin from Battleforged Gaming and welcome to another BFG quick tip. We'll be teaching you how to paint Hive Fleet Leviathan Carapace in this video. First, you want to start with a 1-to-1 mix of Naggaroth Knight and Abaddon Black, and we will paint this over the entire carapace of the Termagant. This will need 2 coats, and try to be as careful as possible not to get any paint on the finished chitin area. Once the base of the carapace has dried, we're going to apply our first thick feathered edge highlight. For this, we're going to use Xereus purple, and you want to apply as if it were a simple edge highlight, but also with a feathering effect that you will see in the video, which is basically a series of lines that follow the shape of the carapace. With your first feathering edge highlight finished, we will move on to the second edge highlight. For this, we're going to use Kakophoni purple. This is going to use the exact same technique as previous, except we're going to attempt to paint it with thinner lines. Again, follow the shape of the carapace and try and be as precise as possible. With your Kakophoni purple highlights done, your carapace is finished. Hopefully you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have, please leave a comment and a like on the video. Stay tuned for some more BFG quick tips on how to complete your Hive Fleet Leviathan Termagant.